Namaste, dear children. Welcome to today's session. So, in previous session, we learned few words like Vyajanam for fan, Lekhani for pen, Pustakam for book, and Jalam for water, and so on. Right? So, today we are going to learn some more important words that we use in our daily lives. Okay, Nidhi, let me ask you some questions. Do you understand everything that is being taught everywhere, not only in this session, generally?
No.
No. Sometimes you understand, sometimes you don't understand. Okay. And do you like everything?
No.
No. Okay. And but are you interested to learn?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, see, just in this conversation, we used these words, right? Yes, no, understood, not understood. So, everywhere we use these words, and especially in our class, right? So, today, let's see how to communicate these in Sanskrit. Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
Yes. So, first, we are going to learn what is yes. Yes is when we want to say yes, we say okay. What do we say?
Um.
Very good. Let's repeat twice. Um,
Um.
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 Very good. So if we want to say no, we can say na. We say na. Let's repeat na.
Na.
Very good. Now, so have you understood these both? And na?
Um.
Very good. So to say understood, we can say avagatam. We can say avagatam. Let's repeat avagatam.
Ava. Gatam.
Avagatam.
Avagatam.
One more time. Avagatam.
Avagatam.
Very good. Now we say okay or let it be, right? So for example, if someone asks, you know, let's have food, we can say okay, right? So how to say okay? We can say astu. We can say astu. Let's repeat astu.
Astu.
One more time. Astu.
Astu.
One more time. Astu.
Astu.
Very good. So we have seen four important words that we use in our day-to-day lives. One is that is to say yes, and one is na, that is to say no, and avagatam, to say understood. And the fourth word we saw was astu, to say okay or to say let it be. Okay, so as much as possible, let's use these words, right? Let us learn more interesting words in next session. Dhanyavadaha.